Oh, welcome. On this day we have unboxing from Japan, directly from Tokyo. So let's have a look to magic box. So first I remove my address. You know, oh yeah, that's still, of course, oh, fuck's sake. That's it. Let's have a look. Let's open the mystery. It's a good job in Japan. Nice packaging. Yeah, I bought one multimeter. Because this stuff is not available in the UK. Of course, it was cheap. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Let's have a look inside. Look at that, Japan. This is originally from Japan. This is really nice. Wow. Thank you from Japan. Oh, thank you so much for your purchase. We truly hope you are happy with your item. Oh, nice. Instagram, really nice. Wow. This is good. Customer service. Really nice feedback. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow, I keep. Of course. And here we are. Yeah, I take multimeter which switch selector because you know we have some stuff like this. You know, it's good. It's good, but this is software button. So it's still suck battery, you know. I need like tick 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 mechanically with switching off the battery of the power supply. Yeah. So let's get open and have a look inside. Oh, of course, it's dazzling always. Look at that. Sanwa M PC700 digital multimeter. Wow. Oh. Let's open. Of course, I clean. Wow. This is my Christmas Eve. Oops. Well, let's have a look what's inside. So, what we got? Service manual. Oh, it's in English. Good. Oh, nice. Look at that. The certificate of the Sanwa. Oh, calibration now. Sanwa Electric Instrument CO Ltd. Wow. Sotokanda, Tokyo, Japan. Here is a web page. We have a logo, of course. Wow, this is nice. It's more fancy than flock. Oh. Oops. Oh yeah, this is manual. Yeah, have a look later. Look at that. The virus. Oh, nicely soft. Oh, really? Oh, it's pretty cool. Maybe we need a battery. Wow, look at that. Really nice. And nice soft. It's not like cheap, you know. of course. Protector. Oh, nice job. Of course. Oh yeah. Yep. And here it is. Here is beauty. Oh, my cat. Careful. I'm really injury from work. I don't need more troubles. Wow, this is nice. Look at that. I love it. Wow, here it is. Ooh. Maybe like apple. Ooh. Nice. That's what I like. You see that? Oh, battery include. Nice. Bar. Hertz. Voltage. This is pretty cool. This is classic multimeter. That's what I want. Really cool. Amazing. Amazing. Tokyo, Japan. Sanwa electric instruments. Wow. Oh yeah, avoid the electrical shock. Remove test leads before, yeah, opening case or battery, of course. Fuse it, fully fuse it. 1000 volts, 30 kilo amp. What is that? 30k amp, I guess. 9 volts battery, 6F22. Wow. Pretty cool. Look at that stand. Let's make test. So we got some parts. Oh yeah, we got some. Ooh, papa. Oh yeah, that will be my main multimeter. Nice visible, of course. Wait. Come on. We got lens. We got linear, please. So follow me. No linearity. Oh, really? That's alright. So let's take a leads. Come. So here is amps. So we need the voltage. So yeah, microampere, digital. Have a look. It's supposed to be. Will be warning. Oh, good. Protection. Microamperes. Nice. Here is classic voltage, hertz, ohm, capacitor, diodes. Nice. I love it. So, we need to switch on camera. So let's see the probes. Look at that visible. It's really nice. Wow. Yep. Ampere protection. Because we got voltage. Microampere. That's it. Good. And here we are. Voltage, hertz, ohms, or resistors, siren, capacitor, and diodes. Have a look. Really well. Really nice build quality. Look at that. No cheap plastics. Yeah, that will be my main multimeter. Papa. In my workbench. I'm really happy with that. Yep. That's alright. Oh, fuck's sake. 400 volts. I don't wanna shorting this guy. Seriously now. We don't have any parts, so I don't know. Here we go. I don't need shorting this capacitor. So let's start the speed. bring to siren. It's really easy. I love. Yeah, and see. Really fast. Look at that. Nice. Really well. The short is really fast. It's cool. Resistor. I don't have any. Oh, of course I cut. That's normal. Resistors. Fast, really. So we try the measure the capacitor. So select. There we go. Range. It's really unstable. Nanofarads. Microfarads. Fucking nice. Now this one, this is 500 volts. I don't know, it's the charge, you know. How much microfarad? 0.1. Right, no charge. We get low. There we go. 10. 10.33. Oh, it looks okay. What is the capacity? Oh, 10 microfarads. Yep, 10 microfarads. Now we go voltage and have a look to beast. 10 volts. Beware, yeah? We can get out of no. High accuracy. Yeah, that's right. So let's see. It's okay. It's discharge. 1.1 volt. Yep. Cool. Always I'd only broken my multimeter. So let's switch. Oh, really nice. Really soft. Also you can use hot. So microfarad. Need more. It's nice steady. You can switching. Do you see that? All button. Nice steadying. Real for calibration. Right. Well. There we go. Yeah, I got it. Now we select capacitor and high, will be high. That's it. Nanofarad. How many we have? 68. 68. No, let's go on. Probably go on. Charging. Right. Knee down. That's it. Charge. Oh, really long. There we go. No. Nope. Yep. 68. Yeah. Need more. You need to get on this side here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 69. That's okay. That's fine. Also, we can try voltage. The bar. We can try the bar. Look at that. It's good. Really good. Look at that. Nice. Nice. It's cool. That will be my main multimeter. Functionality, it's good. You can measure hertz, ohm resistor, siren, capacitor diode, milliamps, amps, microamps. Have a look how much voltage. I think it's 1000 volts. Yeah, 1000 volts max. 1000 volts, yeah. It's fused, yeah, max fused. And alarm, yes, alarmet, right. And now we'll have a look to bar. So let's have a see. I take phone. And let's see. Maybe now. No, sorry. I can't show you. I need 3 hands. I need holding phone. I don't know. Someone need help me. So now look at that. Yeah, it's cool. Really well. Nice, very nice. So let's try. Maybe you can see the. Wow. 4.167. That's cool. Yeah. It's really good. Really good. Right. So yeah, it's cool. So that's my Sanwa PC700. See you next tutorial. Cheers. Cheers. No. Nice.